Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and more. Today's video, we're diving deeper into the Initia testnet with this baby Jenny, how to feed it, how to get more XP. I've dove a little bit deeper into Blackwing, Tucana, and INIT AI. So I wanted to bring you some of the latest that I've found. But before we actually get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. And testnets are the best way to get incentivized for participating in the development of their network, their product, whatever it is they're developing. They need people to test it, and they usually reward users for doing so, and it just takes a little bit of your time, and I'm here to help you navigate this as best I can. So if you ever have any questions or comments on anything that we cover here on the channel, please jump in the Discord. Link is in the description below. I can connect with you there better than I can on YouTube, so please get in there. And I'm in and out of there usually every day. Some days I'm not, but I'll make it known if I'm out of the office. So I appreciate you all so much that are in there making the Discord popping. And yeah, I appreciate all the support. But let's get into this video. We'll put some tunes on a little bit. And so Initia testnet. Okay. So we can use the Kepler wallet, whatever wallet you've been using. I know people have been having some trouble with Blackwing, so we're going to start there. I actually got in here and was messing around. So I have a secondary wallet that I'm going to invite. So if you want to use one of my codes right here, I have invite links that you can see. So just save these, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that in here, and we're going to go through this together fresh on a new wallet. I just minted this on my backup wallet. So get invite code. This is what happens when you set up. You need to connect to X, although I think you can skip it, but either way, if you want more points to use on the testnet, so you get each one of these, you get BXP. And this BXP will give you sort of a credit to use on the testnet. So email, I'm okay with. So do this live confirmation. There you go. And I'm going to skip the Telegram because I not have Telegram on this. So you're going to connect your Rabby wallet. And I will link in the description below how to set up a wallet. So don't worry. I got you covered. Okay, now that we are in here, as you can see, we have BXP right here. And let's go to trade. So we go to trade. You can now convert your BXP to BUSD and start trading. Any profits you make can be swapped back to BXP, and you will continue to earn BXP yield as you have deposited funds. So generate your keys, and you can swap BXP to USD. We'll verify that we own this wallet, that this is our wallet. This is our wallet. This is our wallet. And verify this one. Okay, we should have some BXP in here from when we signed up. should see BXP. Okay, I think we actually do need to make a okay, nope, it's still okay. So I think we do need to make a deposit from the main net. So that's kind of the catch here, is in order to get this BXP to trade with, we need to make a deposit. So if you have any funds on any three of these chains, I don't know why it's Binance, Arbitrum, or Ethereum. What I did on my main account was go to Arbitrum, Ethereum, and you can have use any one of these assets. Or let me see if I have USD. Okay, so I put in 25 cents, and you deposit that into your account, and it secures BXP. So this is kind of a way to bypass or to filter out bots and other stuff. I don't know if they want like real humans. But we'll share this X. So there you go. Now we have our 6 BXP from when we were invited. Okay, now we can go to trade and click on BUSD, and now we have our 6 and 6.42. So we'll trade that for for BUSD. And this is what we will use to trade with on. And now make trades. You can click here and there's a bunch of different markets. So Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Celestia, Doge, WIF. So we'll go to WIF. And we can also deposit USDC. But we need an Initia wallet, which we don't have. So I'll walk through that on my main one. So I'm going to go back my main account and see that's me that I just joined. Now I can go to trade. Now this is what I have here in my main account. So let's see. Let's make a trade. So we'll trade with WIF, right? We'll trade with WIF. Put 600 on. Go short. I don't really care. Testnet. So for trading fee, total cost, and there it shows up right here. And so right here, close position, max slippage, so whatever. There you go. And your order's closed. So just come in here and make some trades, and you can boost is enabled. Bid long. You can also do the same thing. Just throw 600 in there and long it, and check your closed positions. You want to come in and make a trade on each one of these markets. Just to... Oh, 1 second. Okay, and we're back. Sorry, I had to handle some business real quick. So, close this position. Yeah, we'll close it, and bada boom, get that back. And so come in here and switch to Doge. Just make a long trade and a short trade, same thing. It's something to make a trade on every one of these. And also for the USD See? So we have this Initia wallet right here. And I'll go through how to set this up. At a later, it hasn't really been working very well. But you essentially set this up and swap for USDC. Oh, maybe not on this. Yeah, I don't have it. I think it's on a different. But you can also use the Initia wallet. I don't really like it because it's kind of funky. So I just use the Rabby and the Kepler. But on the Initia app, if you swap for USDC, there's 88 cents. Should have some. Oh no, I'm sorry. What address is this? The 0566. Okay. So yeah, my Initia wallet is connected. I'm sorry. Right here. So what we'll do is when you set up your Initia wallet, copy this address, and what you'll do is here. Oh, no. Come back to the Initia app and click right here. And we're going to click INIT and, or no, I'm sorry, USDC. We're going to send USDC to that address right here on the Initia wallet app. And I'm going to send all of this USDC because that's what I want to use right here. So now, once that arrives in the Initia wallet, which it should be soon, takes a little while to load. Then I should have some USD. Might take a minute, you might have to refresh. Technical issues are possible, highly possible in testnets, so keep that in mind. Starting to be frustrated. They need to connect our Initia wallet. Still no USDC. Either way, if you can get yours to show up, because it shows up right here. But yeah, either way, deposit that in here and make some trades on the USDC side. So once you can deposit that, go to the USDC contracts and make those trades, and that will increase your chance of getting a bigger allocation with the airdrop or being incentivized more, because you're interacting with more than just one or two contracts. You're interacting with long, shorts, all these different markets. So it's very important that you complete all of these. And plus, you can make a secondary wallet and invite people and earn XP off. Okay, so 10 BXP for every invitee that deposits at least 10 USD in funds. So you get 10% and 5% of your second degree. So that's cool. Pretty cool. Either way, you can kind of take advantage of it, but you do need to deposit at least like a quarter. It's not a lot. And use my access code to get in. Let me get back in here. There's a handful of them. We'll sign back in. I'm going to move on to the next one. Now, INIT AI. So INIT AI, we kind of had trouble minting this before. So we'll go to mint, and if you don't have anything on the network, it will show up as this right here. So you need to transfer the INIT token from layer 1 to this init layer. So what does that mean? Go to the bridge, right? We'll go back to the main page. From here, you look up the little hamburger thing right here, and it says bridge. Click that, and it'll take you to here. This is where you can bridge tokens from your Kepler wallet to INIT AI testnet, Minimove testnet, Miniwasm testnet, Tucana testnet, Noon, and Blackwing. So we'll go to INIT AI since we're using that first. I'll do 5. Tickle in my throat. Hit my address. Select token. INIT. And then approve. Then approve. INIT. Okay. And then what were we going to do next? Once this order accepts, go to the next one. And that's also the other thing. Testnets can be slow sometimes. But we'll go to INIT AI. We'll get some stuff on there. So now we actually we'll go back to the main page. And since we actually have some INIT tokens here that I moved earlier, we'll mint one of these. The blockchain report. Let's do it. Let's just do it. See if this bridge is done yet. Nope. All right, we're waiting for this server. Hopefully we can get something. So it doesn't look like we sent the tokens. So there might be an issue with the server right now. Either way, this is how you mint. Put in your prompt, get the AI, and we'll wait on that. So we'll come here and we will send some to the Tucana network. We'll send 5 over to there, put my address, and we'll put INIT tokens, send, approve, and approve. There we go. Transaction complete. And we can go back home, and we'll do this on all of these. We'll do it on Blackwing. Then 5 over INIT. Approve that bad mama jamma. And we're still. Okay, let's mint this one. If it works. INIT AI may be having issues, but there you go. There's another one complete. So come make token bridges in here. Also, what you can do is bridge over 1 token to each one of these, right? I'm going to send 1 token into Ethereum on the INIT, on not the INIT, but that yeah, the INIT AI. And then I'm going to send 1 token to the same network, but to a different token. So I'll send it to Tia. And then I'll do the same thing with USDC. And you see how this kind of gives you more of a footprint throughout this ecosystem. So that way they know that, oh, this user is completing every step. They're going through all these different networks. Go to Minimove, we'll send one token over as Ethereum, and then you'll send one token over as TIA and USDC, and you'll go on the line, each one of these, and fill up your bags on each network. So do that, and then once you have init tokens on INIT AI, you can mint these NFTs. Just mint one and then zone. INIT AI might be having issues, so go ahead and I'm just going to type zebra. And we'll wait for that. Now, Tucana, right here, Tucana. I'm having trouble getting lunch to work on my phone, so still working on that. So keep an eye out. Let's actually see if the XP updates. 4 hours. We got 4 more hours until it distributed. Also, so Tucana, you got the Tucana swap token pool. You got the perpetuals right here. Okay, so what we're gonna do in Canadex, we're gonna go to swap, request coins, request 100 init tokens. Submit. And I think I've already requested mine. I don't remember. But there we go. Yeah, I've already faucet. Don't forget, you can come right here. Actually, go to the Initia app. If you want to send assets to another wallet, just click right here and send. Like I said earlier, send your init to another wallet. You'll also get interaction points for that. So here on the swap, I've gotten Toucan to work. Well, not myself, but it's started to work properly. So you can come here and swap tokens now. And once you have a handful of different tokens, try and get a little bit of each. Try and swap for each one of these tokens. There's not a lot of them, so try and get a little bit of each. And then once you have all of them available, you'll go here to the pools and you'll add liquidity. So each one of these, you'll add a little bit. Go to ETH USDC. We're going to do half of this or a quarter of it. We're going to put a little bit in there. Oh, I guess we can only do the maximum amount of 1. There you go. Add liquidity. And go through the line and start adding a little bit to each one. That way you get interactions with those contracts, because each one of these is its own smart contract. And each contract you interact with is part of your footprint. And the more you have, the better your chance of being rewarded higher than other people that only do 1 or 2. You got to think about it. It takes time to go through all of these and add and add. So, and swapping tokens for it. So go through these and start adding your liquidity. You can see your positions right here. Mine's not set up yet. And then go to when you go to the perpetuals, see, no liquidity positions yet. Okay, so we go to perpetuals. You have to connect your wallet again. Click on faucet. This will show you how to get testnet tokens. So come back here, copy your wallet address, and then paste your wallet right there. You're gonna get 10 Tucana tokens. Claim that, and right here you'll add liquidity. So we're gonna do the maximum amount. And I haven't been able to get this to work yet, so I think they're still having issues with this. But if you can get this to work, click add liquidity, put in the whatever amount you want, and let me see if this works. Disable the shields. So I don't know. If it works for you, great. If not, keep trying and don't be discouraged. But you do want to have an interaction with this. So keep trying right there. Also stats. You can see whatever stats they have. I don't. Tucana. Nope. Okay. So basically just token metrics. All right. That's pretty much it. I don't think this one's working because the server's down. Maybe that's why some of this. But other stuff is. And this is where you really want to kind of take advantage of the trades and I mean really all of this stuff, because the more you interact with, the more XP you will receive, and you want to climb that leaderboard, man. You want to climb that leaderboard, and when you have a lot of XP, you can get a lot of food. You know, you can get that legendary. So work towards that 1700 XP. And you have 3 days. Feed your Jenny. So get your levels up. Get in here, make your swaps, and all of this contributes to your XP here. So keep that in mind. And the more stuff you interact with, the better. But if you have any questions or comments, need any help navigating this further, please jump in the Discord. Link is in the description below. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day. Peace, homies.